Hi my dear friends, welcome to Pragna tutorials. In this video we are going to learn multiplication by multiples of 11. What are the multiples of 11? The numbers which are coming in 11 table are called multiples of 11. For example, 11 into 1 is nothing but 11. 11 into 2 is nothing but 22. 11 into 3 is nothing but 33. So 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88. These are all the multiples of 11. Today we are going to learn how to multiply with these multiples of 11. We have 4 questions. I will explain the problems one by one. Here is the first problem. 35 into 33. 35 into 33. 35 into 33. We know that 33 can be written as 11 into 3 or 3 into 11. 3 into 11 is nothing but 33. First what we will do, we multiply this number with 3. 3 into 3 is nothing but 9. 3 into 5 is nothing but 15. Okay, first we multiply 35 with 3. After that, we multiply with 11. First, what is the answer for this? Here we have a 2-digit number. We take only 1 digit. 1 will be carry forward. 9 plus 1, it becomes 10. So, if you multiply 35 with 3, we get 105. Now we multiply 105 with 11. Already we have learned one method how to multiply any number with 11. So in that method, I told you put 1 0 in the beginning, put 1 0 in the ending. After that, start counting 2 digits every time. See here, 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. 0 plus 5 is nothing but 5. 5 plus 0 is nothing but 5 again. So, therefore the final answer is here 5, 1, 1. 1155. The answer is 1155. Now I will take one more question and I will explain clearly. See here. First, 114 into 88. 88 means 8 into 11. 8 into 11. So now I will multiply 114 with 8. I will multiply 114 with 8. First you see 1 into 8 is nothing but 8. 1 into 8 is nothing but 8. 4 into 8 is nothing but 32. So in the first step we are multiplying 114 with 8. 1 into 8, that will give you 8. 1 into 8, that will give you 8. 4 into 8, that will give you 32. From this, we will write the final answer. Here 2 digits are there. First, we will take 1's digit. We carry forward the 10's digit to next number. 8 plus 3, it becomes 11. 11 means, again it is a 2-digit number. We take 1 here, 1 carry forward. 8 plus 1, it becomes 9. The answer is 912. If you multiply 114 with 8, we will get 912. Now we will multiply this with 11. So now, first, what we have to do? Put 1 0 in the beginning. put 1 0 in the ending of the number. After that, start counting two digits every time. 2 digits. See here. 2 digits every time. 2 digits. 2 digits. See first 0 plus 9. 0 plus 9. The answer will be 9. Next 2 digits. 9 plus 1. The answer will be 10. 1 plus 2. The answer will be 3. Next 2 digits. 2 plus 0. The answer will be 2. Here I written 0 plus 9, 9 plus 1. Here need not to write. For our understanding, I was written. You can directly write the answer here. 9, 10, 3, 2 like that. After that, we will write the final answer. So here only single digit. Directly we can take 2. Here double digit is there. 3 will take here. 0 will be carry forward. 0 plus 10. Again 10 only. 10 means 0 here. 1 carry forward. 9 plus 1 become 10. Therefore the final answer is 10,032. 10,032. So very simple. First what we have to do, we have to multiply the number with 8. After that, multiply the answer, whatever you will get, with 11. We will see one more question. Question is 58 into 77. 77. See here. 58. 77 can be written as 7 into 11. 7 11 times will give you 77. So first we will multiply 7 with 58. 5 sevens are 35. 8 sevens are 56. 5 into 7 we are doing first. 8 into 7 we are doing next. So 5 sevens are 35. 8 sevens are 56. So I will write the final answer. Here it is a 2-digit number. Take 1's digit, forward the 10's digit to the next number. 35 plus 5, it becomes 40. So if you multiply 58 with 7, we will get 406. Now we will multiply with 11. So already I said, whenever you want to multiply any digit with 11, we have to put 0 in the beginning, 1 0 in the ending. After that, start counting two digits every time. See here, first 0 plus 4 is nothing but 4. 4 plus 0 is nothing but again 4. 0 plus 6 is nothing but 6. 6 plus 0, again it is also 6. All are 2 digits numbers only. All are 1 digit numbers only. Therefore the answer is 4,466. 4,466. Last one more question. 672 we are multiplying with 44. 672 we are multiplying with 44. 672 into 44 can be written as 4 into 11. 4 into 11. First I will multiply this number with 4. After that I will multiply with 11. See here, 4 into 6 is nothing but 24. 6 4s are. Next 7 4s are 28. Next 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 6 4s are 24. 7 4s are 28. 2 4s are 8. Now we will write the final answer. 8. 0 will be carry forward. 28 plus 0 is again 28. Means 8 here. 2 carry forward. 24 plus 2, 26. If you multiply 672 with 4, we are getting 2688. Now we will multiply this number with 11. So put 1 0 in the beginning, put 1 0 in the ending. Now start adding 2 digits every time. 0 plus 2 is nothing but 2. 2 plus 6 is nothing but 8. 6 plus 8 is nothing but 14. 8 plus 8 is nothing but 16. 8 plus 0 is nothing but 8. Now we will write the final answer. Whenever you will get a 2-digit number, carry forward its 10-digit value to the next number. So here single digit, directly we can write 8. Here double digit, 6 is here, 1 is here. 14 plus 1 is nothing but 15. Again 1 carry forward. 8 plus 1 is nothing but 9. Here only single digit. So directly we can take 2 next digit. So the answer is 29,568. 29,568. Now I will give you some more questions for your practice. Copy down these questions and practice. Type down these questions. Try to practice these questions in this method. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates.